No, don't get out. I'm gonna take you out, okay? So guys, that's the new budgie that I got. This one is an albino, but I'm not sure if it's a female. They said that it was a female because the peak is white, and on albinos, males, this is a male albino, Charlotte, and he has pink on his peak, and this one has white. So I'm trying to, hopefully it's a female because I want more females than males. I have enough males. And that one is the new bird. The other one, the new one, this one. Sorry, Sunny. This one is the new bird. I got them 3 days ago. So hopefully it's a female as well. The reason that I want females is females are more quiet than males, and I had enough sound of males. So far I have, hopefully if they are females, if the new birds are females, so far I have 5 females and 4 males. So total birds is 9 of them, okay guys? So I was just trying to introduce the new budgies. This one is the new one. It's kind of like yellow and white. It looks like a cream, vanilla. It's beautiful. She's so gorgeous. Hopefully it's a female. Hopefully you're a female, okay? My camera is not focused. And this one too. This is the new one. Hey, are you Charlotte? Oh no, not that one. That's Charlotte. This is the new one. The new albino budgie. Come on, Baba. Let's see. That's the new one. So, what do you think? Do you think it's a female? Those are the 2 new ones. I still have the receipt and everything. They said if you think they're males, you can return them. I don't want to, but I don't want no more males. So this is the new budgie that I got, and that one, okay guys? And I hope you like the video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna put them under aviary that I made because it's gonna be, we have a heat wave in California, so I'm not gonna take them outside today. It's hot. I'm just gonna take them out to shower. That's it. Later on, I don't know. Hi, Fanny. They are very active. The new budgies are very active. Look how pretty colors, like a pink color. And that's Lucy. Hi, Lucy. They love to play. What do you think? Look at the peak. You think it's a female or male? Tell me, guys. Hi, Charlotte. Hi, Luna. Hi, Lucy. Lucy's singing. Budgies, don't go inside. There. Uh-oh, budgies. These are the 2 new ones. It looks white. I know on the camera maybe it looks a little pinkish, but in person it looks really white. A little deep bluish around, tiny blue, tiny. But I don't know, guys. Hopefully they're females. I still have 10 more days to decide. And they don't sing yet. Maybe they're still babies, or you know. They like to be with. I noticed that they like to be together. They still can't fly like, wow, incredible fly like the other budgies. These guys are professional flyers already. When I put them outside, and I already let the new budgies fly inside the aviary that I create, and they were happy to fly around. So let's see what happens, guys. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you, and have a beautiful day.